Sometimes we need a way to go back. We need to talk about mistakes, missed opportunities, or things that simply never happened. By the end of this video, you will have mastered how to use could, should, and would. You are going to use them to build 3 specific functional sentences of your own. This table shows modal helping verbs. We use these specific verbs as tools to express likelihood, ability, or obligation. To follow along, you need a basic grasp of past participle verbs, words like gone, seen, or done. Go ahead and grab a pen and a piece of paper. Mastering these structural mechanics provides a consistent baseline for communicating complex scenarios from the past without hesitation. Let's look at the universal formula required to construct any of these 3 past hypothetical sentences. You start with your modal, add the word have, plus a past participle verb. When speaking quickly, the contraction could've sounds a lot like could-of. Because of that, people often write it out with an OF. That spelling is always incorrect. There is also a strict rule for pronoun agreement. The modal verb locks the word have firmly into its base form. That means have can never be changed to has or had in this structure, not even when you are using third-person pronouns like he or she. Committing this rigid base formula to memory is the necessary first step. Once you have it down, you can choose which specific modal meaning to apply. Let's start with could have. This specific tool is used to express a past possibility or an ability that was ultimately not taken. This text box shows a real-world example. It reads, "We could have arrived on time if we had left by 3 o'clock." It states an opportunity that existed but was missed due to circumstances. Take your pen and paper and write down an original could-have sentence of your own. Next is should have. We use this tool to correct a past mistake or to express an obligation that was not met. Looking back at the text box, we see, Pamela should have been here by now. This demonstrates retrospective advice or regret over an expectation that fell through. Go to your paper again and write out your own original should have sentence. Review the 2 sentences you just wrote. Double-check that you used the word have and didn't fall for the phonetic of trap. Here is the core difference between the 2. Could objectively states what was possible. Should passes a subjective judgment on what was the right thing to do. Step 3 is would have. This tool states a definite hypothetical result that depended entirely on a specific condition being met in the past. To build a would have scenario, you have to use an advanced grammatical structure known as the third conditional. This diagram breaks the third conditional into 2 blocks. Blue is your condition, orange is your result. Let's combine them. If I had known they were vegetarians, I would have made a salad. Warning tone. But never put would inside the if clause. Now, write your third and final sentence. Combine an if condition with a would have result. Separating would from the if clause produces the specific phrasing used in standard hypothetical conversation. Look at the paper in front of you. You have successfully drafted 3 distinct sentences that handle specific shifts in time and intention. You can now clearly communicate a past possibility, a past regret, and a third conditional hypothetical. Take the third conditional sentence you just wrote and type it into the comments below. I will be checking those comments specifically to make sure no one put would in their if clause. You now possess a concrete framework. With these formulas, you can accurately express an alternate version of the past without hesitation.